Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to the next episode in my 15-minute journal challenge series. Today's journal page idea is a photo. So in 15 minutes or less, we're going to add a photo into our journal. You can make it the centerpiece of a page, you can do something interactive, you can add other things as well if you have the time. But basically we're going to choose a photo. It can be an old photo, a new photo, and we're going to place that into our journal, and everything else you add is up to you. I decided to back this photo of my daughter onto some white cardstock and then cut out the cardstock sort of like a Polaroid frame. And then instead of just sticking this picture down on the page, I decided to create a little pocket to slip it into. The page ideas that I'm sharing in this series are so simple, and they're probably things you've done before. But like I said in yesterday's video, they're really good page filler ideas, and you can always put a new creative spin on an old idea. So every time you do something, you can do it a little bit differently to make it fresh and new. Even if we're putting a photo into our journal every single day, the photo is always different, so it always adds something new to the journal and the journal page anyway. And the idea of this series is to show you that with the most basic things and the most minimal supplies, you can still do a creative journal spread. And at the end of the 10 days, you will have completed a whole extra 10 pages at least in your journal, which is pretty cool. My journal is almost done, so I'm going to have a flip through for you guys very soon. All of a sudden it just got filled up, and by doing this challenge it has filled in some of those awkward pages that I feel like when you get to the end of your journal, you have some leftover pages that you're kind of itching to get finished and you don't really know what to put on them. Sometimes for me they're in awkward places in my journal, or it's like an awkward page I don't know how to use. So this challenge for me has been really good for filling up pages that were left over in my journal. So once I backed my photo, I created a little pocket with a little scrap of paper, and then I just took a couple of tiny word stickers and stuck them around the page. I didn't want to do too much more than that, even though I had some time left over. I really liked the pattern paper of the page that I was working on, so I didn't want to cover it up too much. But yeah, that is my page for today. Remember, you can use the hashtag 15-minute journal challenge if you'd like me to see what you come up with. Grab out a photo and create a page in 15 minutes or less, and I will see you tomorrow for the next page idea.